Hello, Chef here. Cleaver versus butternut squash. So the squash beat the cleaver, but actually the cleaver did cut it in half pretty nicely. It's nice to have one of these laying around for hard, larger, heavier vegetables like this squash. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Yeah, so we got 5 even pieces. This is going to get de-seeded and roasted, and I'll be back. The finished roasted butternut squash. Yeah.
No stress over here.
It's made in the USA, and it's 100% natural. It's also organic. That's important. Organic is good, and I can tell you that the hemp is sourced from Colorado, Oregon, Florida, and other states. When you seek out more detailed information, like the sports medicine doctors that work with the professional sport, the players are taking CBD. Why? Because it works. So do your education and your diligence. Get out there, look around, and learn more about CBD. Please like, share the video, and have a beautiful day. No stress over